This is Mayor Segal. This presentation is an assessment about the growth of cloud-based video conferencing as a service, dubbed VCAAS, throughout this educational presentation. Click to advance slide. Before making this presentation, a history of the VCAS market is pertinent. Global adoption of video conferencing applications are expanding for business and educational uses to eliminate travel time for meetings less than an hour, and to hold virtual group discussions for an array of needs. The most early stage provider was Skype from the Netherlands. It's important to note that non-domain membership to Skype is limited to one-to-one discussions. When Microsoft purchased them, they began to process to expand use to its current form that replaced Lync as a paid unified communications as a service vis-a-vis tenanted or custom domain to hold group discussions. Guests cannot join or watch an archived meeting. This assessment will outline how Zoom of San Jose, California is emerging as a provider of choice for one-on-one to group discussions for any size business, whether membership is free or paid. Click to advance slide. Past practices of hosting boring office meetings and traveling for conferences is changing to digital solutions that enhance convenience, improve productivity, and save companies crucial time and money. Video as a primary form of communication is becoming mainstream, and adoption rates continue to increase thanks to popular applications like Skype, FaceTime, and Google Hangouts. Google finally settled on a lineup of video offerings in late 2017, and Facebook entered the enterprise sphere with Workplace by Facebook in mid-2017. Zoom is among the top 5 VCAS providers of free and subscription-based video conferencing, targeting one-to-one meetings, small to medium-sized businesses, and large-cap enterprises. Their paid base level account is interoperable with Skype for Business, which is now part of the Microsoft Teams family. Click to advance slide. This slide outlines how VCAS has evolved to meet video communication needs for all business sizes, from any computer connected to the internet, free of connectivity hassles. The functionality suggests that the software tool was designed for users it serves, such as designing with adaptive design. VCAS has evolved to meet the video communication needs of businesses of all sizes, from any computer connected to the internet, free of connectivity hassles. So you can connect via a desktop, a laptop, or a mobile device. The functionality suggests, as said before, that the software tool was designed for the users it serves, such as designing with adaptive design. Click to advance slide. This screenshot shows how Zoom's features scale from free membership to basic services to a subscription fee for any business size. VCAS meetings are akin to gathering in a conference room or webcast, to presentations for up to 200 people at the enterprise level. It differs from webinars that present content from the presenter to many watchers. Discussions privately between the presenter or among participants can be held through the application chat. You can see that there are 4 basic types of memberships: free, basic, the pro, which has all basic plus more, the business, which has basic and pro plus more, and enterprise, which encompasses all the other 3 prior with additional features. Click to advance slide. This screenshot shows how Zoom offers an array of features serving the VCAS needs for sole proprietors to large cap enterprises. You can see the meetings feature, a video webinar, the Zoom rooms, which are hosts holding meetings to different people, the business IM, which is the chat feature, the SIP connector, which connects to voice over IP, and the developer platform, which provides ASPs and middleware to other applications, such as Skype. Click to advance slide. This screenshot shows The account page shows the meetings can be held with audio, with video, join a meeting with a session ID, schedule a meeting, share a screen, look at a schedule of all meetings, connect, join a meeting or connect meetings using an online address book, and the chat feature as discussed before. Click to advance slide. This is a screenshot from YouTube of a project meeting with an architect plus other project team members that are located in different cities and in different countries across the globe. There is a screenshot of the site in its current form. It shows that there is an ease of use for a group meeting from disparate locations, and the screen share demonstrated in the demo, which you can see. The result mimics a meeting with the participants as if they were in a conference room with audio-visual services. Do feel free to go to the link and watch the video in its entirety to learn more about the functionality of Zoom. Click to advance slide. Naturally, cost is a factor to membership. The screenshot of plans and pricing shows how the features scale from the free model to enterprise-level subscription. The costs increase as the hosts scale up, and taped meetings for archiving for future watching also scales up. The plans build on each other from the basic to the enterprise features. The broadest question is, what is the cost-benefit of membership to enable the business to meet its VCAS needs? It suggested that decisions about cost and function be aligned with ISACA's CGEIT, COBIT, and CISM. Click to advance slide. The advantages of use are, as presented, free access, software as a service that doesn't need to be updated or patched. It's free of domains so that it can be used with an internet connection for a free connection or via membership. Hosted meetings, whether free or subscription, can be sent via email link. There's a one-to-many relationships of one presenter to multiple participants. A business or enterprise membership can have multiple hosts holding meetings at the same time. There's the meeting chat, which enables discussions with the presenter or participants via instant message. It's simple to operate via on-screen menu. A custom URL and a logos are available to customize the presentation. Meetings can be saved and archived for future watching. Login can use single sign-on through the developer tool and the security, which supports the firewalls and encryptions to keep the private meeting secure and prevent unwanted attendees. Click to advance slide. The disadvantages of use are brief, yet critical decision factors. They are the free meetings, free membership is limited to one-to-one, it has free unlimited one-to-one meetings, and group meetings are limited to 40-minute sessions each. A workaround is using planned breaks. If it's approved for a business, IT will need to approve it to configure the firewalls to allow the access from the presenters. And lastly, cost alignment. The cost of the membership per the number of hosts should be aligned with departmental and project budgets. Click to advance slide. In sum, the findings of choosing Zoom as a VCAS provider of choice are as follows. Companies are scaling up their workers, the locations they operate, and are in need of VCAS to facilitate meetings of participants in disparate locations. Skype is limited to either a free account for one-to-one meetings, or group meetings are strictly through a domain and requires patching. Zoom overcomes and meets the VCAS needs of growing businesses without a domain. It's user-friendly, accounts are free or paid, and the functions scale with a pricing plan per the VCAS needs of the business. Before choosing Zoom, it's recommended to survey department and project managers to identify the virtual meeting needs and ensure that there is strategic alignment with Zoom's features and the pricing plans. It's also recommended to apply a proof of concept to a test group to ensure that the functions match their needs for VCAS. Once approved, it's recommended to apply change management of access for growing businesses to ensure consistently smooth function through the security layers of the network. Click to advance slide. 4 references were used to justify considering Zoom as a provider of choice for VCAS. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation. You've gotten some instant takeaways, and look into Zoom either as a free membership or for your business for its VCAS needs.